Quality. The standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind, the degree of excellence of something. Quality is often used to compare products or services and is a key term in various industries, such as manufacturing, education, and hospitality. The quality of this fabric is excellent. They were impressed by the quality of his work. He always insists on quality over quantity. The restaurant is known for the quality of its food. Good quality education is important for a child's development.